All my bathroom stuff works out perfect. Already got this Twizzle under sink storage mat, waterproof storage mat made out of silicone. This comes in two colors, brown and gray, and I'll probably do the brown one too. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. This thing's got my brain spinning. There's all kinds of different uses I can think of for this already. So it comes packaged in this box, actually folded into four in this plastic right here, plastic bag, and it also comes with a really nice matching gray microfiber cloth for soaking up water, I guess. So this measures out at 34 inches long by 21 inches wide, and that's going on the inside and the inside. It says it'll hold 4 gallons of water. It's pretty flexible. I don't see it actually holding water in here without it pushing it off to the side or anything. I can think of all kinds of uses for this already. The fact that it's an under sink item, obviously I can use it under my sink, and I'll show you what it looks like under here. My cabinet is a little bit shorter than 21 inches wide, so we're gonna have to fold this up in the back, but it's gonna work great. I worked in a guitar shop. This would be great for soldering on because it's silicone, and silicone's less likely to burn if you accidentally drop solder or a soldering iron on there. Gosh, shoes, the back of a car. You could put this in the back of a hatchback and put stuff in here. You know, on a rainy day, put your umbrellas, all kinds of stuff in there. It's waterproof. Yeah, look at that. Soaked it right up. Or you can use this as a pot holder. How about that? All right, let's check this thing out. This underneath of my bathroom cabinet. Now, this is 35 inches long this way, and I'm a little bit shorter than 20 inches, so I had to fold it up in the back. But you know what? That's going to work just great. Here's another idea. It would be a great mat for dog food. How about this? You could throw it in the mudroom on a rainy day. You've got something that'll catch the water. Got my towels on there, cleaning supplies, all my bathroom stuff. Works out perfect. So many options for a silicone mat like this size and this flexibility. So if you were looking for a flexible silicone mat for under your sink, under your bathroom sink, under your kitchen sink, for your foyer, for your dog food, back of your car, anywhere, check out this one by Twizzle. Check it out.